Hi guys, Simon Atkins here, your brand new apartment specialist in Perth. So today I find myself outside of Olive Street in Subiaco, and of course I did do a video on this one probably 18 months, maybe 2 years ago, and it was really full-on construction site behind me. But now I'm doing the video because these have been completed, and there's about let's have a look. I've written it down somewhere, 71 apartments in total and 15 left. So there's just 15 left. Now, since these have been marketed in the last 2 months, we've started remarketing them in the last couple of months, they have flown off the shelf. So key point to remember here, obviously there's limited supply left in there now, and I'll just give you a quick heads up on that. But also stamp duty benefits, we're coming up to practical completion. It's due any day now. We can't put obviously a real time on it because it's the council going backwards and forwards, but it's due really any day. It could be tomorrow, it could be a week away, or maybe even 2 weeks away, but it's imminent. So that means that any stamp duty benefits, which for the price points to the left, 37.5% concession on your stamp duty bill. So that will go once practical completion comes around. So just bear that in mind. I'm going to take you through one of the apartments and we'll have a look and to give you an idea. But basically, this development has it's as I just mentioned, it's about a two-year build, and it's come up really nicely, and the price points are very, very good, I think, which is why they're selling so well. So obviously Subiaco is a great area. We're in the older part of Subiaco. You're about a 4 or 5 minute walk just down on the corner of Olive Street here, down Hay Street to the Subiaco Hotel, and then there's probably a 10-minute walk from here to the train station. So everything's close by. As I said, you're in the old part. You don't have that kind of newer part around by the train station where there's a lot of apartments around there. So it's a little bit off on its own here. We've got a 5-level development, and I'm going to show you one of the apartments up on the 5th level. You can kind of see the development behind me here. This is on the Olive Street side. So let's go and take a very, very quick look around one of these apartments. Oh, and just before we do, almost forgot, I'll just tell you some of the apartments that we've got left in here. So there's a 1 2-bed, 1 bath, 1 car bay, and that's at 877,000. There's a 2-bed, 1 bath with 2 car bays, and that's at 920,000. So just one of those left. And then we've got some a handful of 2x2x2s, and they start. Sorry about the shaking on the camera here. I forgot my gimbal today. They start at 1 million. So we also have 3x2x3, so 3 car bays, and they start at 1.364. So if you're looking for something a bit larger, then that would be something you might be interested in. So let's go and take a look around. So thanks for joining me on that tour. If you needed to know anything else about any of the other apartments or the ones that we've just seen, obviously, then just contact me on my details below in the description. So we're just looking from the back of the building here. This is Churchill Ave. So you see that big mural on the back there, and there's some parking around there. All the parking though for this particular development is undercroft, so it'll be subterranean under the development itself. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.